Well, this is welcome to the Black Hole Paint Shop. I call it the Black Hole Paint Shop because it became a black hole for this car. This car went into this shop approximately 12/10/2021. I was told, hey, they'll do the quarter panel, fix the rip in the seat, and repaint the green and the stripe. All the rest of the artwork on the car is decals. And he told me $2,500. Now that's a steal of a deal. I said, okay, fine. If you calculate the gas and stuff, it still beats an American price sometimes. Well, this turns out to be a big mistake. The car sat there and sat there and sat there. Luckily, I have a guy who takes pictures for me, which I can call him. He'll go over for a fee. He'll shoot me about 40 pictures of all angles. And if a person doesn't answer you back, you have the opportunity to know exactly what's going on when they don't give you any phone calls. So that's why I call this shop the Black Hole, which they won't get any more of my business. Well, we're down here once again. It's on my man Alex, the man behind the scene, who's saying we're gonna make it happen. It's gonna be right. This is gonna be the test pilot. We're in an undisclosed location, but if this comes out right, that's the man you need to talk to make it happen.
Yep.
We're gonna get you some deals, and we're gonna get it right.
Paint, upholstery, and the chrome work.
If you need it,
If you need engine work, get that done too.
Mechanical. So we located down here in beautiful downtown Tijuana. But we can't tell you no more than that. But trust me, be on the lookout when this comes back. Y'all seen it. It's gonna come back more better, more better, more better. This is gonna be a little Scrappy 2.0. We're gonna put another quarter panel on him and refresh some stuff on here. So just gonna keep it out like that. So we're gonna walk away from my car, and so we will be back. As soon as the other piece come, I will come.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
All right. Oh yeah. Let me see. Rodney, where we at, man?
They look like they're doing what they do.
Yeah. Hey, young man, what's your name, man?
My name is Carlos.
Where are we at today?
Right now we are at our shop. It's called Baja Customs.
Uh-huh.
And we do classic cars.
You do classic cars. I see you got trucks. You even got a real paint booth. The other shop I went to, no paint booth. No paint booth. No paint booth. So on the Mustang, which is called Little Scrappy, we're gonna put a new quarter panel on, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna align the doors and basically remake it back the way it was.
All right.
And that way we can be, I want to say it, my Latino version, mucho better. More better. Mucho bueno. Okay, more better, you know. And so these are the new guys we're gonna see how they do it. If they do it, we're gonna get them some money over here. That's the goal. Get you guys money, get us happy. Okay? All right. For sure. Let me see. See, I see it. We in development. And so looking good. Let's see. this time, they put some paint on it, and they put the stripe on it. And so meanwhile, I bought several other cars since this car's been in the paint. It's been gone so long, at some points I forgot I owned it. I bought the Charger, I fixed my motorcycle, repainted, redid the roof on the house, sold the white bike, accomplished multiple things. So, and I got the Volkswagen for my father. So I was at the point when I saw this, when I had my guy take the picture, I said, oh, you know what? I'm going to come down there and take the car out of there. And if I got to pay to get it fixed in America somewhere, I'm going to do that. So that's what I did. I popped up on him. And this is what happened. Or should I say, this is what I saw. So I took the car anyway. This car was never going to be ready for Saturday. They've resanded the whole car again to fix the blemishes. So I don't know how they said it's going to be ready for Saturday.